We'll guide you through how to plot a graph in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Word, and so you want to go and plot a graph. Perhaps you've been doing some research and you're making a research paper. It doesn't really matter, but you've gone and got some data you want to go and plot. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. It's a great way of representing your data. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure you watch this full guide. Don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in your Word document, you can come up to the top, find the option for insert and click there. Then what you want to do is you want to come into illustrations and find the option for charts, and you can go and click there. This will pop up. Now there are different charts you can go and add. What I like to use is the XY scatter. I think we can go and plot it well with this. So you want to go and select it, make sure it's selected and press OK. And there it is. Now this goes and pops up. So in here is where we can go and enter in our data. So you've got X and Y values. So what you can then do is in here is you can go and start typing in the data you want. So for example, I could just go and I'll keep this simple and put some in like so. And if you want to go and add in another, you can. I could go and put it in there, and then we'll go and start including it. And then what you can do is come over to the Y values and you can go and type those in as well. So I'm keeping this pretty simple, but you go and get the idea. After you've entered it in, you can then go and close it. Now, what you can do is come over to the right and find the option for layout options. And I like to go and just set it to square so I can easily move it. Next, you can press the plus and choose the elements you want. You can go and add in the axis titles, and you can then click on them to go and change them. Add data labels, error bars, and you've got some other options as well. You can also go and change the chart style, and you can go and use the filters here as well. Now, what we can also do is go and double click on one of the plots here, and it will open up to the right. What I like to do is come into the fill in line, and we can go and set a line. So I can press solid line, and as you can see, it then goes and gets added in. And what you can do here as well is you can go and choose the color. I just like a black one really. And you can choose the width, make it a bit thicker. Choose the compound type, the dash type, you get the idea. But what I like to do is make it smooth, just so it looks like that, as you can see. And that's it really. You can then go and change the titles to your liking, and you can go and click, hold, and drag it where you need it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.